This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this house belongs to a realtor here in Davenport, Florida. It was rented for a short term, I guess. The people that were here, they destroyed the house. The floor, can you see, is in really bad shape. Everything is dusty. This house is with furniture, and I'm pretty sure that in the meantime they close a new home. Like the clients, they're gonna buy a new home, but in the process they rent for short term this house. So everything is in really bad condition. A lot of sheets, towels, pieces of garbage. They destroy the house. The covers of the bed in really bad shape. Monica is taking out the covers. We have to wash it and remove all kind of dirt, garbage. Set the house again in good condition for the future tenant. She's taking out all the sheets. Even you can see some garbage on top of the ceiling. A lot of garbage in all the cabinets. They smoke in this house. They damaged the carpet. But today they hire us to wash the sheets, replace the sheets, take out all the garbage, clean walls, bathroom, cabinets, everything. Sí. No, sácalo, por favor, hay que lavarlo todo. Si está en mala condición, hay que botarlo. Fíjate si está en mala condición. Si está en mala condición, bótalo. Está en mala condición, bótalo. Está con mold. The floor is in really bad shape. They are paying for a deep cleaning plus a scrubbing. This is another house. He already removed the sheets so we can wash the sheets. Walls. Today we are not gonna do the carpets. We just gonna clean the complete house, top to bottom, ceiling fans, deep cleaning the floor, clean on furniture, cabinets in and out, refrigerator inside. I have to ask if I'm gonna throw everything. Move the refrigerator. A lot of sheets. Eso al final. Solamente las sábanas, el quilto al final. Los cobertores de las estos sí.
Sí, no, eso ya lo sé.
Grills, windows. We already removed the sheets. You can see the ceiling fan over there. The vent. In really bad shape. Monica is taking out the garbage. People smoke in this room. A lot of smell of cigarettes. Ya, si están limpias, déjalas ahí. Bótate todo lo que esté. Esto ya es basura, bótatelo, bótatelo. Bota todas las cosas que sean, que consideres que sea basura. Esto está vacío, lo puedes botar. Ten, Mónica. Gracias. And we are gonna start putting some photos and videos of how we're gonna do this house. It's a lot of garbage. A lot of garbage. Yeah, the first step is sheets and take out all the garbage. Okay.